are you? How are you? How are you? How are you? Kamusta na kayo dyan? Ito kami dito, busy sa pagbabalot ng mga tinapay. Itong ibaba ng bahay namin. Balo na rin ng mga tinapay. But anyway, birthday mo pala, ilang taong ka na ba? And you look younger every day. At then, I wish you a very, very happy birthday. Long and satisfied life ang prayer ko sa iyo. Mahabang buhay. Lagi kong tatandaan, lahat kayo dyan, ipinagpipray namin sa Don Watts tuwing umaga. Happy birthday, Ate Lasyon. More power. You may have long birthdays ahead of you. And always good luck, good health. Ang prayer ko, maraming pagpapala pa. Peace of mind, comfort with Kuya, at saka yung happiness and joy in your heart. Kasama yung mga apo mo, kasama yung mga anak mo dyan sa Canada. Happy birthday. Love you.